watching will be Infosys. Reports numbers post-market hours. The press conference is scheduled around 4:30 p.m. It's expected to be a quiet quarter like we've seen with the others, but growth rates for Infosys is going to be more than peers. So dollar revenue growth at 0.8%, constant currency revenue growth of 0.7%, which will be better than what peers have reported. TCS, remember, had a flat quarter. Margins for the company are likely to remain flat this time at 21%. There is no wage hike for Infosys this time, so no pressure per se on the margin front. Profits will be up 1.1%. Guidance, the FY24 guidance. 3 months back, the company had said that full-year growth rates will be between 4 to 7%. According to many analysts, the company could trim the upper end of the guidance. Instead of 4 to 7%, they will say growth rates will be 4 to 6%. Maybe it's going to be an impossible task for them to achieve the upper end, which is why they could trim the top-line guidance. Margin guidance likely to remain unchanged at 20 to 22%. What will the street watch? If you remember, Q4 was particularly weak for Infosys. The company had seen, projects being ramped down, projects getting cancelled, and not just in the BFSI vertical. They had seen it across. It was in manufacturing, it was in high tech, it was in the telecom sector, in retail. Secondly, there have been a spate of senior level exits. So even in the current quarter, there were 2 VPs who stepped down. One of them went on to become the CEO of QuickHeal, the cybersecurity head. So there have been some exits in Infosys. And is this impacting anything? Thirdly, the mega deals. Now, just 2 days back, the company had announced a large $2 billion deal. So some more clarity on that, how much of it is going to be net new, the outlook on deal pipelines, and fourth, wage hikes. Because the company typically gives wage hikes in April. They didn't give it this time. They deferred it. So the outlook on wage hike as well as employee compensation is something that the street will be tracking. That said, Infosys has seen a lot of buying ahead of its numbers. Today, the stock is subdued, but I think, and it's flat. But, since the earnings season began with TCS, Infosys stock has gained close to about 9 to 10%. Mayuresh Joshi, the head of equity research at William O'Neill, is with us on the show.